All right, this is pretty awesome here. We've got a bunch of chum salmon that have made their way up from the oceans, up this river here to spawn. And then just a few moments ago, a big black bear came, pulled them from the water and devoured it right in front of our eyes, leaving its carcass here to rot right along the banks here, which might be a little bit gross, but it's all part of the cycle of life. And in a way, salmon connect the entire world. See, during their adult lives, they live and feed all over the oceans, traveling up these coastlines to the deep Pacific and over to Asia, serving as food to whales, seals, and all sorts of critters along the way. And the health of those waters determines their health and the health of the eggs they're able to create here. Then they come all the way back, migrating up these rivers that they were born into to spawn in these tiny tributaries where they die. And when they do, their carcasses are carried off by bears, eagles, and other scavengers where they decompose, bringing all those vital nutrients they collected in the oceans to the soils here on land so that these trees and plants can grow to create shaded waters, stable banks, and healthy watersheds that allows them to spawn in so that little juvenile salmon can be born into these waters and repeat the process all over again. Connecting terrestrial ecosystems to marine ones, these fish both feed and feed from ecosystems all over the world, and their health is interdependent on one another. Salmon are considered a foundation species because their presence serves as the foundation to all these different ecosystems being able to function. Without salmon, orcas, seals, and all sorts of marine life starves, as do bears, wolves, eagles, and humans alike. And without those seaborne nutrients, our forests, estuaries, and the ecological functions they serve within these watersheds begins to fail, and these ecosystems will collapse. As salmon populations all over the world face all sorts of natural and anthropogenic threats to their survival, the solution just isn't as simple as farming new salmon. It's bigger than that. We need to start by taking care of these ecosystems, allow for these miraculous little fish to thrive so we can create a better world for all of us.